Hi everyone, I'm Siyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to use the add beat feature on CapCut. This tool is great for syncing your clips to rhythm of your music, making your videos more engaging and fun to watch. So let's get started on how to use the add beat feature on CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap on the new project option. Select the video or photo in which you want to add beats. Then, tap on the add option from the bottom right corner of your screen. At the bottom of your screen, tap on the audio option. Then, tap on sounds. Search for the music you want to add. Once you find it, tap on the download icon next to the track to download it. Then, tap on the plus icon to add it to your project. Tap on the audio you just added to your project. Then tap on the beats option at the bottom of your screen. You can now either manually tap on the add beat option to place beats at different parts of the video, or use the auto-generate option to automatically add beats. Once you are happy with the beat placements, tap the check mark in the bottom right corner to save the changes. And this is how you can use the add beat feature on CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.